this is the HSP monster truck. So now here I'm going to show you how to upgrade to the front steering hub and the universal drive joint, this part. So because the Dogbone tends to dislocate quite easily, so the solution is to change it to the universal joint here for the front. As for the back, not so critical because the back doesn't move, okay? The front moves. Okay, you need a 7mm nut driver. Okay, and take out the wheels. Okay, remove the front wheels and remove the hex nut. Okay, just pull it out. Okay, and you can see that there will be a pin, and take out the pin also.
Don't drop the pin.
Yeah, don't lose the pin. Okay, right now I also can take out the other side of the wheel. I might as well. There's the nut. And also the hex nut, and followed by the pin. Okay, right now we just do one side first. We're going to remove the top and bottom screw, which actually secure the hub. Okay, so let's go ahead and take out the top one. As you can see that the top one, these are all self-tapping screws, and it's not going to last, you know, if you are a rough driver. So this screw eventually will come out, and then you will lose the screw, and the hub will come out, and your next thing you will lose the Dogbone. So okay, so I remove the bottom one also, you can see. So now you can see I can go ahead and take out the hub and take out the Dogbone. This is the Dogbone, and this is the cup. As you can see, this is the cup and Dogbone system. So when this thing steer too much, the Dogbone will come out. Okay, and now I'm going to replace it with the universal joint, which is the upgraded part. You can see that is this guys is stay connected. It will never come out. Okay, so you will not lose the Dogbone. So the problem with this is once you got this screw come out, and this thing will go this way, and then the Dogbone will actually, you will lose the Dogbone. Okay, I need to take out this. Okay, so this is the steering ball joint. Okay, see, that's the hub removed. Now I'm going to use the upgraded one. So remember to remove the two bearings that's inside these things. So take a screwdriver, just pull it out.
The bearings.
The bearing. There's two bearings, the inner and outer bearings. So go ahead and put it back, the inner one. Okay, just sit in tight. And the outer one. So now I gotta put this thing into the gearbox here. Okay. And put this into here. That's it.
Alright.
So I can't use this self-tapping screw anymore. I have to use the screws that's provided because they are threaded. So there's long one and short one. Okay, actually there's 2 long and 4 short. So the top one is the long one and the bottom one is the short one, and you got 2 spares. Before you tighten the screws, I strongly advise you to get this Loctite. It's a blue Loctite. Please do not use the red one because you're going to have difficulty of taking it out later, you know, you'll stay permanent. So blue Loctite, okay, just a little bit. Put into the hose, the screw hose, the top and bottom. Okay, so, and I gotta put the Dogbone back. Okay, that's it. Okay, now I'm gonna take the long screws and then go ahead and put it back. Okay, yeah, it's back into the thread. So I just go in and just finger tight, but not too tight. Yeah, that's it. And then now I got to put in the bottom one, which is the short screws. Okay. Yep, that's it. And you can see that it still move freely. You know, you gotta feel it a little bit, you know. And previously I removed this so-called the screws, okay, here. So now I have to tighten back the screws here. Just go ahead and use my finger and just turn a little bit. Yeah, because it's threaded, so just go ahead and turn. Yep, and also with the nut, and with the 5.5 mm nut driver, and tighten it back. Okay, you can see that now. Just put everything back, the pin, don't forget. Okay, gotta sit in the middle. Okay, and you can see that the hex nut, they got a groove, you know, for the pin to sit in. So make sure you align to the pin and sit in nicely and lock. And now I go ahead and put in back the front wheels. Okay, and the nut. Just use my hand and just try to turn in a little bit. Okay, so once you have tightened the nut but not too tight, so make sure you feel it a little bit, you know, make sure it still move freely. Okay, so okay, we have done with one side, and then the rest is just the repeat process of this side, you know. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.